Okay, so this right here is my Lexus IS300. It's currently on jack stands. That's going to be a whole nother video. But this video is going to be about this guy. This is the key to my Lexus IS300. And as you can see, it doesn't look like a regular everyday Lexus key. And it's also missing the part that hooks onto a lanyard, which is quite frustrating because I am definitely scared I'm going to lose this key without a lanyard. So I went on Amazon and bought a new key case that goes on here. There's that bit, and then here's the rest of it. And it even came with a little screwdriver right here. So my little quick mini project for today is to get this into this and make it look like a Lexus key again. Now I'm going to be using this little Harbor Freight security key kit. Take out the 4 screws on here and transplant the transponder or little pod thing and the key into this kit here. Hopefully it'll look pretty good. So let's set up the tripod and get this done. It should only take a couple minutes. Okay, so step 1 is going to be to pull these 4 little screws out right here. Now to take this thing apart, just like so. Here's the actual key assembly, the fob piece, right there. Now from what I've seen, this goes into here, just like so. So it looks like the key assembly slides into this piece, just like so. That is a tight squeeze. Maybe so. Okay, so I was able to get the key into here, but I did hear a slight crack and there is a split. Assuming it'll focus, there's a slight crack right there. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but there's a crack in there. The next step is to put this guy into here. Next step is to put this guy into here. I'll put this in here. So I managed to get this completely flat right here. What I want to do is line this peg up with the larger hole right here. Slide that right in. And then hopefully this should slide right in as well. Let me see. Come on. Yep. Oops. At least it works. Okay, now for this one right here, it's going to be my fancy dandy Lexus clips. Okay, there we go. And now to put the screw in. Where did the bag with the screw go? Great. Did it fly away? Okay, there it is. Not exactly a perfect gap fit around here, but it'll do. And now, the big moment. An OEM Lexus Denso key. Looks mint. Just gotta say, it looks pretty amazing. There's the actual key. Compared to the ugly thing it was earlier, this is way better. And you can actually see the unlock and lock detents. I think this is the OEM Denso cover as well. So overall, it looks very nice. I'm happy with it. I just need one more thing to make it complete.